Imagine you're walking through the neon-soaked streets of Tokyo at midnight, or maybe you're hiking the rim of the Grand Canyon at sunrise. You want to capture that moment. You reach into your pocket, and in less than 2 seconds, a mechanical gimbal snaps to life, a 1-inch sensor begins drinking in the light, and you are recording cinema-grade 6K footage that makes a flagship smartphone look like a toy. This isn't just a dream for 2026. This is the reality of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. For the last 2 years, the Osmo Pocket 3 has been the undisputed king of the vlogging world. It was the secret weapon for every YouTuber from New York to LA. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But as we move deeper into 2026, the cracks are starting to show. We want more resolution. We want better low light. We want a battery that doesn't quit before the day is done. And most importantly, we want the pro features that DJI has been teasing in its drones for years. The wait is officially over. The leaks are out, the dummy units have been spotted in the wild, and the specs for the Osmo Pocket 4 are nothing short of a generational leap. If you've been thinking about buying a Pocket 3, or if you're wondering if your iPhone is good enough, you need to stay tuned. Because the Pocket 4 isn't just an update, it's a declaration of war on every other portable camera on the market. Let's start with the headline feature that is sending shockwaves through the creative community: 6K resolution. For the first time in the Pocket lineup, DJI is breaking the 4K ceiling. Why does 6K matter on a camera that fits in your palm? It's not about having more pixels for the sake of it. It's about the crop factor. In 2026, content is vertical. It's TikTok, it's Reels, it's Shorts. With a 6K master file, you can crop into a vertical frame and still have native 4K quality. You are essentially filming for YouTube and Instagram at the exact same time, with zero loss in quality. This is the ultimate work smarter, not harder tool for the modern creator. But pixels mean nothing without a good sensor. The standard Pocket 4 is sticking with the legendary 1-inch CMOS, but it's an entirely new architecture. We are looking at improved stacked sensor technology that handles dynamic range in a way that rivals professional mirrorless cameras. Think about those difficult shots, shooting against a bright window or a sunset. Where other cameras blow out the highlights or crush the shadows into a grainy mess, the Pocket 4 maintains detail in the clouds and the skin tones simultaneously. And then, there's the Pro variant. The rumors were true. DJI is reportedly launching 2 versions, the Standard and the Pocket 4 Pro. The Pro model is the one that is going to change the industry. Leaks point to a dual sensor system, a main 1-inch wide-angle lens and a secondary 1/1.3-inch telephoto lens. Yes, you heard that right. Optical zoom on a gimbal camera. No more digital zoom that turns your footage into a blurry mess. You can now get those tight, cinematic B-roll shots or intimate interview angles without ever moving the camera. This effectively turns the Pocket 4 Pro into a 2-camera studio that you can carry in your jeans. But hardware is only half the story. In 2026, the real magic is in the AI. DJI is introducing Active Track 7.0. This isn't just follow the face technology. This is deep learning subject recognition. It can distinguish between you, your dog,